Located in the suburban area of Wesley Chapel at the Epperson Lagoon community. The home features 4 bedrooms, an office. Actually, the office is a bedroom, so 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, over 2,800 square feet, 2-story, beautiful MI home. One of my favorite spots is Pool Compass Loop because of this amazing view of the pond. This home is only 45 minutes from Tampa Airport, shopping 10-15 minutes, restaurants, an hour and a half from Disney. What else could you ask for? And if you want to find out more about this beautiful home, send me a DM.